After a morning of rain, I hesitated, but asked if it would be okay to go on the day, and luckily they agreed straight away. We met in front of the central mosque, where our Muslim guide, Jesh, explained the mosque, and then we climbed the tower for a panoramic view of Kampala city and the Seven Hills. We then went to Owino Market, where there was a mango market. We then went to OJD Taxi Park, where we truly experienced the energy of the city, and then visited the Independence Monument and the craft market. It was a packed 3 hours. Traveling on foot allowed me to directly experience the city, its people, the air, and the smells. I was able to take as many photos as I wanted, even in places I wouldn't be able to enter alone. At the market, we tried some zanine, fried grasshoppers, which were in season, and they were so delicious I bought a few, and I was given a free coffee to crunch on. We thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. Thank you, Jesh. Great tour, extremely immersive. Jesh is super knowledgeable about Kampala and Ugandan culture. Highly recommend, but make sure you're able to stay with him because he moves fast. Thank you for this nice tour. Without you I wouldn't went to those places. Very impressive and a long staying experience. It was amazing touring Kampala by Yusuf was the excellent guide. We visited local markets owing Katrunga Slum Old Taxi Park. I had a walking tour in Kampala and visited places like Owino, Taxi Park, Makerere University and had to test local foods like Rolex. I had a walking tour in Kampala and I visited the most amazing place, Gaddafi's National Mosque, also the top view of the city from the minaret. We had a walking tour in Kampala and we enjoyed the city like the busy streets of Kampala. Snacks like Rolex. People we met were friendly. I can't wait for the next tour. I enjoyed a tour in Kampala with my guide Jesh. He took me to the interesting and amazing places like Old Taxi Park, Kabaka's Palace, Independence Tournament, Owino Market and other places. I surely enjoyed it. It was a great memory visiting Kampala city on the walk with my guide Sudesh. He was kind and knowledgeable about the Kampala's history. I also tried to reschedule time because of rain and had sight later like Gaddafi National Mosque and Rolex snack on the streets of Kampala.